Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can view keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're used to something like DaVinci Resolve, keyframes might not be the most obvious thing to look at because the interface in Adobe Premiere is highly modular. What that means is you get to move stuff around and arrange them in panels or modules which you can freely move around your workspace. So sometimes it gets a bit confusing where you can see the keyframes because technically it's labeled under something else. So to get started, first thing you want to do is make sure you have your effect controls enabled. And we can check this by clicking on the window option at the top of our toolbar and finding the FX controls option. So this opens up a window. You can drag it onto a panel to make sure you can drag it onto an existing panel wherever you'd like to help organize your workflow. So let's go ahead and select the clip on our timeline. And as you can see under the FX control panel, it has updated and shows the keyframe information here at the right side and the effects here on the left. So let's say we want to add a keyframe for our scale. We would click on toggle animation, and doing so adds a keyframe. Then we can also add several more keyframes like so. Oops. And you can see them organized on the timeline. So one thing I find really useful is I right click the FX controls and then I click on dock. So when I'm working on a specific clip with lots of effects and motions integrated into it, I get to have a much wider view of the clip and the timeline. If you ever close the effects control panel, remember you can always re-enable it here with on the Windows option in your toolbar. I'm gonna put that back. This is where I tend to have it most of the time. And I can add some animations by changing the scale, add these keyframes as you can see. So watching through that, you can see through the program monitor, it adds very nice linear motion. So that's it for this video. It's a pretty quick and easy how to. That was how to view your keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.